guys, we are having breakfast guys. Ito yung breakfast namin. French fries, egg with Chinese sausage, and Milo. Where's Milo? Yan. Wala pa kaming ligo guys. Kaya ang mukha namin parang ano pa. Say hi. Huh?
Hello. Malaysia lockdown, so we are having bread, chili sauce, French fries with chili flakes, and Chinese sausage with parsley, I think. First you eat like that. And you delicious.
Very nice breakfast.
In 600 meters, at the roundabout.
Hello guys. Welcome to my vlog. Today's video guys, doing some errands with my husband.
In 300 meters, at the roundabout, take the first exit, then turn left.
So mag-ano lang kami guys, magkuha ng parcel. May in-order yung asawa ko, tapos nakarating na sa main office yung parcel, pero di siya makuha. Sa Monday pa kasi i-deliver. So now guys, puntahan namin. Tsaka may bibilin pa kami ng iba. Sama-sama lang ako guys for the vlog.
Welcome to lockdown.
Uulan yata dito. Yeah, it's still lockdown. Uulan siya guys. First stop namin guys is pupunta kami sa pharmacy kasi may bibilhin kaming gamot. Tapos next yung parcel. Sama-sama lang ako guys kahit wala namang importanteng gagawin sa bahay. Makagalat na rin kasi once a week na ako lalabas. So guys, nakabili na kami ng watermelon at saka yung gamot sa sakit ng ulo. So next is pupunta kami sa parcel there.
Yeah.
Pupunta kami sa parcel. Uulan dito guys. Wala yung ulan.
told your friend you're not okay. And tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away. As you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Gotta build up of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby I have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side maybe we could be okay. Okay, maybe you could be the change I need today. I promise that I've never felt this way. I really hope that you will choose to stay through all the pain.
I know you told your friend you're not okay. And tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away. As you fade away. As you fade away. Try to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray.
I think open on Sunday.
Everything open.
You still get wet with that, you know. Did you bring the shirt?
Yeah.
Your phone, how?
Oh yeah, my phone. Give me the big camera.
One. One.
Open. Open again.
I got the phone. There, you must close already, yeah. Oh my God. Yung lakas ng ulan.
Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Fuck me, I'm looking in the mirror, so foggy, but I've never seen clearer. I don't really think anyone can save me, and honestly I'm not really sure I want saving. I like to be my own worst enemy. There's no risk if you don't try at anything, so I'ma just keep buying everything. See you in the next life, have to be a better me. I don't think that my head's on straight, gotta flip it and grip it and go and get an x-ray. What's wrong with me? I just feel weight pushing on my chest and it squeezes till I suffocate. Better change my mindset, meditate. It's pretty cool that I'm alive and have better days. I could walk, see, hear, I should celebrate. Think I could change my mind, maybe elevate. Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Yeah, all I need are some better days. Cause all I want, and I pray, I believe in the better days. I'm kinda stuck between a rock and a hard place. Do I work hard or live at my pace? You're only young once, yeah that's all great, but I also want a future where I'm okay. Living life is doing lots of cocaine. Wait no, it's living with no shame. Wait no, it's sleeping in on Sundays. I guess it's different for each of us and that's okay. Well I just wanna be happy, how to get there? Glad that you asked me. I think it's different for everyone. Some of us need work, others need fun. Some of us need purpose to overcome. But try to do what you love when it's said and done. Cause there's so many differences in each of us. Trust your gut, it can show you what you want. Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Yeah, all I need are some better days. Cause all I want, and I pray, I believe in the better days. Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Yeah, all I need are some better days. Cause all I want, and I pray, I believe in the better days.
Kasi may
This one Malaysian made.
KFC mukbang.